All right, let's dive right into this explainer on PureHaven's emotion and body code. Have you ever felt a weird emotional weight? Or maybe just sudden, unexplained physical tension? See, those unprocessed feelings don't just vanish. They literally hide in your body as tension or sluggishness. The emotion code actually calls these trapped emotions. Basically, it's unresolved energies stuck deep in your subconscious. So, how do we let this go? Let's check out 3 gentle steps from PureHaven. Instead of forcing things, their freebie guide shows you a super gentle way to shift that energy. Step 1, just notice the physical signals. Is your chest tight? Are your shoulders super tense? Step 2, acknowledge it without judgment. Fighting the feeling only builds up more internal pressure, right? And step 3, create a tiny release moment to safely shift what your body is holding on to. This can literally be as simple as putting a hand on your heart and taking one deep breath. These little moments gently prep your nervous system for the deeper stuff in Module 5's full curriculum. Inside the module, you'll learn the sway test and even watch a real-life release demonstration. Before enrolling, definitely hit up PureHavenSA.co.za. Grab that free PDF and kickstart your healing journey. Because remember, your body is always talking to you. The real question is, are you listening?